तो दोस्तों आज मैं Zedeye टेक्नोलॉजीज़ में आया हूँ। यहाँ पे ये लोग केबल को पैच कॉर्ड में मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं। तो मैं ऐसे आदमी से मिलाता हूँ जो पूरी जानकारी देंगे आपको। ठीक है, चलते हैं।
Zedeye Technologies. This company we have formed in 2018 particularly with the vision to cater A-class people, industry-based solutions to all these sectors like automation industry, that your surveillance industry, smart city particularly solution industry, and data center solutions industry. He is my partner, Mr. Sham Jagdish Shroff actually.
Okay.
He is an industry veteran for this product particularly. So he has a more than 20 years experience.
जैसे हम लोग कॉइल बनाते हैं एज पर द साइज वी वांट। 1000 मीटर का एक बड़ा कॉइल होता है, उसमें से हम लोग छोटे छोटे कॉइल बनाते हैं जैसे जैसे साइज़ का चाहिए। उस कॉइल को हम लोग स्ट्रिप करते हैं। स्ट्रिप करने के बाद जो ऊपर की स्किन निकल जाती है, देयर आर द टू इनर स्किन्स। वन इज़ अ नेटिंग दैट इज़ नोन एज अ शील्ड एंड ओवर दैट देयर इज़ अ फॉइल दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ शील्ड। उनको अलग करने के बाद हम लोग हर पेयर को अलग अलग करते हैं। वी हैव अ फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया दैट वी ओनली हैव द स्ट्रेटिंग मशीन।
ओनली यू?
यस।
और किसी के पास नहीं है?
जी नहीं। Even I will tell you proudly that we have a cutting machine which costs us 7 lakhs, but it is totally automized. Program it, it cuts, it removes the coil, and then we fix it. After this, we adjust the color code. There are the color codes in the norms, so we have to adjust all the color codes in the networking type, and then we put a connector on it. All our connectors are shielded connectors, not a normal connectors, RJ45. Once this connector has been put on, then we crimp it with the auto machine. Mostly people crimp it with their hands. In India, many people are crimping with their hands. But here we crimp it with the machine. So the pressure of the crimp is equal everywhere. It not changes anywhere. After this process, we goes to the soldering part. We have to solder the grounding and the drain wire to the connector. From that part, it goes to the molding part. And even this die what we have designed for this molding is a special die. Normally the people design for the fruit is something else, but we have made a small cap on the die.
We have a clientele like a Tata, Starlight Technologies, Bombay Stock Exchange, particularly HP, IBM. We are manufacturing this LAN cable, this patch cords. We have a customized patch cord started from 0.6 mm meter to any length particularly. Apart from that, we have a 305 meters Cat6 cable roll also. Our company is ISO 9001 certified, ISO 14001 certified, and ISO 45001 certified company. From this, we have a CE certification in our company name, ROH certification, and UL certification.
मेरा नाम असल में मोहित श्रॉफ है और मैं Zedeye में मेरे जो पिताजी है श्याम श्रॉफ जी, उनका बेटा हूँ मैं। After molding, we test the patch cords. The crimping and the soldering part are okay or not. After the testing, only we just put it and we pack it and we send it to the customer. This is how the process of the manufacturing of the patch cord, networking patch cord has been done from our side. We Zedeye Technologies have all type of solution with the excellence process.